Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with Skeng Vibes. The song I dropped a couple days ago. I never have enough time for react to it. Busy. I do my one thing. Also, I proved what I said in the last reaction. The last two reaction that YouTube shadow banned me. We drop video and is less to like no views like on the video them. Normally video are shot. But I saw it go, you have to just keep on moving. You understand? Big up YouTube, see me. Respect on I do nothing, on no reason why I shadow ban. I don't know why. But anyway, Skeng Vibes. That is what we're reacting to today. We're gonna jump to that one and see what the G say. I think he dropped 2 songs, so I'm gonna react to the next one after this. So we're there. Let's go. You heard the G say. Let's go. Vibes.
Yo, jump. Have you have vibes in this? Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to talk, keep my want it to reach quick. Hot young day in our place, only rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick.
Skeng can't put her foot wrong right now. Skeng is like dancehall rock star right now. Skeng got a young gun, brother. Like you can't deny that. Skeng are doing things.
Quick, hot young day in our place, only rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick. Stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip.
What? Where you do?
Stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip.
Busting her mouth, Molly Jaya Palip. May try put that in a context, you know, my G. What going on now? So, boom, bam, bam, bam. 2 and 2 equal 5. 6 and 6 equal 11. That man's not add up. That not add up. It not add up. You're busting her mouth. Hold on, man.
Reach quick, hot young day in our place, only rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick. Stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip.
See, you're busting her mouth, I'm you're busting her mouth, I'm Molly Jaya Palip. That means that the Molly where you take it in a your system and it affect. I don't want
quick, stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip. Skeng is fancy, all are bad bitch. Bad girl, I'm not talking. I'm a one book shit. Bad bitch, all over the way shit. Yo, Cooper, girl, in my creek. So I'm stepping out, place that way clean.
Changing floor.
Cheap, I'm a feet, I'm a rip change. Yo, me have a reach here in a newbie. Coulda black, coulda white, coulda change. I have vibes in this. Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. Hot young day in our place, only rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick.
All them wife him, so him to the next man wife in a bitch. That hot.
Quick, hot young day in our place, only rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick. Stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip. Skeng is fancy, all are bad bitch. But I'm stylish, what kind of life this? Yo, dash it, can you cup in 9 bitch? Give me a
dash it.
For me and big life
this.
Jaya Palip. Skeng is fancy, all are bad bitch. But I'm stylish, what kind of life this? Yo, dash it, can you cup in 9 bitch? Give me a side chick, for me and bitch. My life can't get outdated, darling. I'm 50 light chick, for me and bitch. My life can't get outdated, darling. I'm tasty, never see this. Them can't give a chat now, face me. Sinners and nuts, man. We a gunman. Shot hotel, shot it, them not no option. Have you have vibes in this? Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. Hot young day in our place, only rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick. Stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip. Skeng is fancy, all are bad bitch. Bad girl, I'm not talking. I'm a one book shit. Bad bitch, all over the way shit. Yo, Cooper, girl, in my creek. So I'm stepping out the place that way clean. 20 cheap, I'm a feet, I'm a rip jeans. Yo, me have a reach here in a newbie. Coulda black, coulda white, coulda change. I have vibes in this. Put a woman split, but be a girl eyes out for the artist. I'm gonna have to keep my want it to reach quick. Hot young day in our place, we live rich. All them wipe it on bitch, palm she come quick. Stuffed in the jaw, can on me a chip. Boss na mo, Molly Jaya Palip. Skeng with fancy all of the bad bitch.
Yeah. Yo, right now, dog. Right now, anything with drop top touch right now, dog. A problem. Like anything with drop top touch. Skeng and drop top do this song. The London dun. You don't know. Birmingham producer. Big up Birmingham. Skeng. The one line that stood out to me is you busted the remote and money drop our lip. Skeng, leave the money alone. I beg you please, me G. Yeah, me know you live the rock star kind of life. Let me say at the start of that video, you're the rock star of dancehall right now. You don't need to do the drugs with it, brother. Like, leave it, bro, cause it not gonna end pretty for you, me G. Leave it, me G. You see me? Your body gonna take a toll at the end. That is just my advice to you, the Mali thing. Skeng, you do your thing. Yeah, one of the young guns we are burn up the place right now. Any song you drop right now, a problem, dog. The views are speaking for itself. You see me? So big up yourself, me G. You don't know. You are the future dancer. You are one of the future of my dancer. And big up Drop Top for your next collab video, me G. So big up Joshy in the video as well. It's good to see Joshy and Skeng when them link up. So all is a vibe. But anyway, this is how I'm gonna leave that one, yeah. Big up on yourself. You can't be good, be lucky if you don't now got nothing good to say, though, so not offend anybody. Make sure you leave a like, comment, subscribe around there if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one for sure.